Hi everybody, Casey from Corporate Country Girl here. So you remember the other day we took off our chainsaw chopping blade off of the weed whacker. Just remember I put the new one on. Now it's pouring down rain, so I'm going to sharpen this and use my time up. So right here, it's the chainsaw blade looking one. And if you can see, there are teeth on it. So the teeth alternate directions, and you're going to want to sharpen each one based on the direction it goes. So you see here, you want to go a couple things before we start. You're always going to start from the closed end. So if your guard is over here, this is the smaller end. You're going to go this way. And there's little marks on these too that tell you the angle. And so you're just going to hold it like this, and like that. 4 or 5 times. I personally go all the way around one direction, flip it over, and then go all the way the direction the other way. I cannot seem to do it the other way around. I'm dyslexic or something. But this is what seems to work well for me. So just make sure you only go on one stroke in the right direction and in the same angle as the line. So just like that. And then you flip it and go the other way around. Alright, so here is the other one, the still wood cutting blade here that we go put onto our weed whacker. Slightly different look to it, but same general idea. So if you look closely again, there are teeth, just like a chainsaw, but flat. There's not a whole lot of depth there. So same idea. You're going to do the same thing to sharpen it and use the back and forth idea here. Again, same direction. This one doesn't have a line as far as I can tell, so you kind of just use the existing teeth as a guide. But again, just one direction and then flip it over and go the other direction. Okay, so you can kind of see these are the ones that I've completed. Hopefully you can see it. See the edge here. There's the sharper edge. This is one that hasn't been done yet. It's pretty darn dull. There's just not much of anything there. Put that in there. Feel it. See if I like how it feels. It's sharp. Bring this over here a little more. So, yeah, there's a little bit more to go. That one feels good. Okay. Around and around and around she goes.